I'm Peter. You might know me as one of Jesus' disciples, but, well, I'm the one who denied him. It's not easy to talk about, but I think it's important. My story, it's about failure, but also hope. I was so sure of myself, you know. I thought I'd never let him down. Jesus he was everything to me. My teacher, my friend. He gave me purpose, showed me a new way of life. I left everything to follow him. His teachings, they changed my life. I felt invincible by his side. I even told him once, even if everyone else deserts you, I never will. I truly believed it with all my heart. But then, that night came. The night they arrested Jesus. It all happened so fast. One moment we were in the garden, the next, chaos. I followed at a distance, trying to see what would happen. I ended up in the courtyard of the high priest's house. It was cold, I remember that. The tension in the air was palpable, and I could feel my heart racing. And then, someone recognized me. A servant girl. "You're one of them, aren't you?" I do not know him. The words just came out. I couldn't believe I'd said it. It happened again and again, 3 times, just like he said it would. Just then, the rooster crowed, and Jesus, he turned and looked straight at me. The weight of what I'd done crashed over me. I went out and wept bitterly. I thought it was over. How could he ever forgive me? How could I ever face him again? But then, he sought me out. Can you believe that? After everything, he came looking for me. When we got to shore, he asked me, "Simon, son of John, do you love me?" 3 times he asked. 3 times I said yes. It was like he was erasing each denial.
Feed my sheep.
That's when I understood what true grace really means. It's not just forgiveness, it's restoration. My failure wasn't the end of my story. It was the beginning of understanding God's love in a whole new way. So if you've ever felt like you've failed too badly or gone too far, remember my story. There's always hope, always a chance for a new beginning. That's the message I want to share with the world.